Hi, I'm Chris with Partners Development Group. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how you can make adjustments to your exterior doors. At some point, all exterior doors need to be maintained, as normal use causes small changes over time. Common problems may include air leakage around the weather stripping and your deadbolt not locking correctly. In most cases, these can be easily corrected and prevented by you, the homeowner. If you feel a draft around the exterior doors, or if your deadbolt's not locking correctly, you'll need to make adjustments to the door to help create a tighter seal. To gain a tighter seal on the door, you'll need to make adjustments to the lower portion of the striker plate. You'll need a screwdriver and a hammer to make these adjustments. You first start by backing the screws off around the opening. Then lightly tap the tongue inwards with a hammer. Tighten the screws back down and test the door for seal. Make further adjustments as needed. If your deadbolt's not functioning correctly, the top portion of the striker plate may need to be adjusted. Following the same steps, back the screws off surrounding the opening and either tap the tongue inwards or outwards to create a larger opening. Tighten the screws back down, close the door, and check for function. Further adjustments may be needed. Hopefully you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our customer care department. Thank you for choosing Partners Development Group, and have a wonderful day.